get you. You couldn't escape.
I'm filming, by the way.
Hopefully you got me in there.
No.
What you got, James? Is that cracking you up? Huh?
I know when I bang a hairbrush on the ground, I laugh hysterically too.
Is that funny? What you got there, James? Huh?
Goodness.
Are you making monster sounds? Come back this way, James. Go on the other side so you can get his face.
Yeah. Oh, he might be
very good.
turning around.
Come here, buddy. Come here. It's really hard to crawl in this. What you doing? Hi. What you got there? Show Grandma. Hi. What you got? Huh? Are you combing the floor? Huh? What you doing? Hi, buddy. What you got? You gonna be a drummer? I think I'll be ready for bed. He's wearing himself out.
That's true. Look how he like throws it and then drools everywhere and then crawls after it.
We're gonna start calling you Ringo?
Okay, say night night.
Look at Mama. James. James Clell. James. Night night. Two kisses.